In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a book in Claude 2, introducing the super prompt. We'll keep this simple and practical. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This gives us a neutral starting point and makes it easy to find the official site. In the search bar, type Claude AI. You'll see results for the AI assistant from Anthropic. Look for the official domain that reads Claude. Clicking the correct site matters because lookalikes can be confusing, and the layout you need is on the real page. If you see a padlock icon and the Claude.ai domain, you're in the right place. Once you're on the Claude site, you should be able to start a new chat. The interface may update over time, but you're essentially looking for a blank message box where you can enter your instructions. This is where the magic happens with a super prompt. A super prompt is a single comprehensive instruction that clearly defines your goal, the structure, and the outputs you expect. The more precise you are, the better the results. Now, compose your prompt. You can paste this exact example, which is designed to generate a full, beginner-friendly book in one professional flow. A complete beginner-friendly 2025 YouTube growth book that provides a clear table of contents, simple chapter guides, real examples, practical tools, templates, a closing summary, and a comparison chart of growth strategies in one smooth professional format. This prompt sets expectations for scope, organization, and deliverables. It tells Claude the topic, the audience level, the year for relevance, and the specific assets you want, like templates and a comparison chart. If you want to personalize it, keep the structure but swap in your topic or tone. For example, you could add details like preferred voice, target page range, or audience, as long as you preserve the clarity of the request. The key is to describe the final product you want and the components needed to get there. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Give Claude a moment to process. Longer outputs may take a bit. As the draft arrives, scan the table of contents to ensure the flow makes sense. If something is missing or needs refinement, you can follow up in the same thread, asking Claude to expand a chapter, add more examples, or reformat the comparison chart for clarity. That's it. You've just used a super prompt in Claude 2 to generate a complete structured book draft you can edit, polish, and publish.